Okay, let me show the demonstration of our new game is Kubernetes Isekai. It's this RPG game. Use an RPG game maker to make it, and you need to do some Kubernetes tasks between your game to gain so that you can complete the task. First of all, I have been submit my confidential here with the application from Fuse AWS API gateway and store the information inside DynamoDB, and here is our my account informations. And so now let me try to start the game. And suppose I reset everything. I suppose it to be empty now. And everything is empty in DynamoDB. Oh, this one is just previous one. Delete it. Okay, let's try. Okay, just start the game. And then I can log inside here. Also, I need to talk to the NPC. And then she will give me something to do. First of all, I need to check my confidential is working, but this is to be already done it since I submit the key here, so that I can check it immediately and just ask her again. But it takes some time to provide you the answer since behind the scene is running the unit test inside the Lambda, and uh, just picks voice. Just wait for a second. Okay, the create namespace task is created, completed, and actually behind the scenes, the section variable, and also the game task is done. And now just move to next task and continue talk to her, and then just click once. Oh, I need to create a namespace with this string names. This is some random variable here, and so I didn't do anything in my Kubernetes, so I just still continue to talk to her. Oh, since I'm unable to complete the task, it is have been failed, and then the screen will be pop up with the unit test result here. Actually, I will share the PyTest unit test result here so that you can look around what happened to your test. And be honest, since I do not place, there's no namespace called the system. Okay, just copy this run, and then I go back to my Kubernetes admin console and just create the namespace. Okay, create the namespace. This is the correct one. And upload. And then the namespace will be here. Yeah. And now go back to the game and then talk to her again. Go to accidentally I go to another. Let's get message. As at this moment I only have one VPC able to NPC able to handle the task. So that talk to her. Okay, the namespace completed. Oh, great. And over the DynamoDB, and then I will see my task have been completed with the timestamp. And okay, just talk to her again. You will find all tasks are completed. Okay, great. This one is the demonstration of the new game Kubernetes Isekai, and suppose it's to be a very beta version, and then later we just not so simple. Just talk to one girl in there, and then we will add some AI into the project. Okay,